A little video, Citroen Xsara. I've just done the oil and filter. I didn't think it was worth showing you because it is pretty easy on here, but I need to reset the service light, which you can't see, I don't think. But what you do is you press the button there with the zeros on. You turn the ignition off, you hold that button on, turn the ignition on so all the lights come on, and it'll count down here. When it gets to 0, you turn the ignition off and you should have reset your light. Don't know if I can set this up for you. So, pressing the button in, put the lights on, just count in there, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay. Release, ignition off, ignition back on. Let's reset it.